Managing Athletes' Behavior by me. All right, just want to first start off by saying that was an awesome video by the Central High School in Tuscaloosa, Alabama. That coach is doing a great job. Um, I'm in a similar situation with that coach from Central High School. You know, dealing with a lot of kids with that come from a single parent household, and just trying to push them to do better. So I'm going to talk about the role I currently play in athletes' lives. All right. And first, I'm just going to start off by talking about my family. Now, at my school, we have a thing called we have our own families made up of about 10 to 12 uh, athletes. Okay. So we use that pretty much to just to have accountability for our guys, and then different coaches have their own family. So it's about maybe between like 10 to 15 kids. All right. I make sure my male athletes have my phone number. I do coach women athletes as well. However, I use the app for that. In today's world, you don't want to, I just, don't feel comfortable giving my number out. So with that, try not to get in trouble, protect both sides. I use, I use the Remind app. All right. I let my athletes know that they can contact me at any time. Also, I often tell stories about my life. I just let them know that I'm not perfect. All right, I like to tell stories. They love to hear them, just to let them know the human side of me as a coach. The role I aspire to play, I just want to do a better job of just reaching out to my athletes outside of sports. Uh, I want to have more topics to talk about during family time, not the same old. I also want to take my group out to eat once a month. I know that with that's going to cost a little bit of money, but I'm willing to sacrifice. All right, this is the last slide. And I like to bring in other guests to speak to my students as well. All right, enjoy. You have a good evening.